Tower brand, then Constellation typewriter. I have two, but the color is different. The two-tone color, it's light blue and then light gray. Okay, exactly same except the typeface. This one cursive, and then this one is I guess Pica or Elite. The previous video I mentioned about the Tower brand typewriter. It was branded by Sears company. I already explained, but briefly I review again. The Tower brand started in 1949 to the 1969, and then I choose the over $100 typewriters. See, Tower Constellation. The previous video I reviewed the President typewriter, right? So this one is at that time they manufacture between 1961 and 1963. I guess this one is manufactures 1961. This one maybe 1962 or 1961, because a little bit serial number is different. This one is a little bit earlier. So this one, the cursive at that time, it's a regular one is 106.88 cents sales price, but cursive is $4 more. Right now, compared to the 2023, maybe around $35 or $40 more. Yeah. So exactly same, just different color and then typeface. I will review with this one, and then I test typing with this one. Okay, wait a minute. All right. Yesterday I reviewed the Tower President typewriter. I like this material better because this one is more easy to clean, means easy to maintain. Also, a little bit different is this is a touch control, very fancy red ball here, right? So soft and then harder. And then this one is they say the new 5 series from the Smith Corona, but here the serial number is they start with 6. So I don't know, it's maybe 6 series or new 5 series, but they just put the number 6 instead of 5. I am not sure, but typewriter database, they explain this new 5 series from the Smith Corona typewriter. So, and then this, the cover, and then this hook is very well designed. It's this like yeah, Stella, right? Star. That's why the name is Constellation. I guess. Yeah, the clear tap set, margin release tab, and then the ribbon direction change, this one like this, and then this one after push down, the push up, and then go this one. Okay, let's see. after hold like this, and then go left, then it's automatically lock, so it does not move. So unlock like this, and then release this button, then it's unlock. Then we can use this one. And then exactly same this one with the President typewriter, but the difference is the old Constellation pattern is a 12-inch, a little bit wider than President, except that I guess is same function, same exactly same function they have, but just different design. And then they have a two-tone color, beautiful design. Okay, a little bit, so, but still, looks good. Beautiful design. Okay, so this one is a metal. Very considering that age, it's very well designed, and then very elegant color. Okay, and this is a margin setup, and then paper guide. This is line space control, and then variable line space control like this. Same with the President typewriter, and then this one is another way of the variable line space. But after this control, still we can use this lever. But using this for the line space, then we can use this one. Just to turn this part, not this part, not pattern, right? So that means it's a dummy. So in order to use, you need to push like this. Then you can use it like this. That's the one thing. I have another one with the cursive typeface. This lever was broken. I'll show you later. But this one is complete, very clean. But a lot of people does not know about the Tower brand. Also, at that time sales price is very high. That means the material or the quality of the typewriter maybe it was good. So still some people know about that brand, so they wanna get this typewriter. Okay, let's see the sample typing using the another one. This one is also very good, but I wanna show the cursive, the typeface. Okay, wait a minute. This one typeface cursive, but as I said, this part was broken. So I tried to change just this one, but except around this, the other part we can change easily, but this part is not easy, so I gave up. But still, it's okay because only, as you know, the only typewriter there is no left side knob, so still we can use. I'll test. I'll show you this typeface, the typing sample. Okay. I'll use just one hand to type. This red ball is very cute, right? Okay, let's see. need new ink, new ribbon, but still is okay using just one hand. So there's one typo, who, right? Thank you for watching.